Hi, it's Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool paper airplane that I like to call the Starfighter 2.0. My favorite part about it is it has these two little flaps in the front that can either be turrets or landing gear. You be the judge. Let's get to folding, shall we? So for this plane, I'm using a sheet of printer paper. So first, fold this edge to that edge, making the center crease. Unfold. Fold this point to the center, as some people like to call a paper airplane fold. And fold this point to there. Turn over. Now fold this edge to the center crease, like that, and let this layer slide out from behind. You could also just make the crease like this, and then turn over and unfold that, whichever way you prefer. I always like to do it all in one motion. So fold this edge to that crease. Out. So now it looks like this. Now fold this point to that point. Now make a reverse fold on this point, so this point ends up here. So mountain crease and go like that. Basically making a preliminary base when you open up the paper. Make the reverse fold and fold that back out. So now you should have something like this. Now, reverse fold this point in so it aligns with that. So now it looks like this on the center, and repeat over here. So make the reverse fold. And make these last two reverse folds. Now, turn over and bring this point and fold it back so that this point here and this point here end up along this line. So it's like that. So now you should have something that looks like this. Now, fold it in half. Fold this one flap back, turn over and fold this flap back. And now fold it back up. This is exercising the flap so it has less tension and it makes a better hinge. So now rabbit ear this flap. So go like that. And then fold it down, turn over, and then rabbit ear the same way. So now it looks like this. Now you want to fold this point in just a little, not a ton. So now it looks like this. Now fold this down to make the wing, like that so that this edge aligns with that edge. Turn over and repeat. So this edge to that edge. Now fold this up about that far. Turn over and repeat. And open it up. And you are now completed with the plane. Hope you like the Starfighter 2.0 design. You can customize the tips to look like this for better looking turrets and landing gear. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions about what paper I'm using, questions about the folding, or what project you want to see next. Bye! Hit the camera and your head. The look on your face is priceless.